So in this video I want to show you how to make a very strong natural string called nettle string. Find a bed of nettles and make sure you have a pair of good gloves, and then you can pull up some nettles or break them off or cut them off, and to strip them, turn them away from you and run down the stem. They'll come flying off very easily. I break off the tip rather than do much with it. You could use it to make a fruit drink or something, I guess. But pull them off and then strip them down. Gloves mean you're totally protected, and when you've done that you'll have maybe get a dozen or so strips. Now to get this string you've got to get the fibres off the outside, so you break it and then pull down so you get the outside fibres, and they're the ones that are going to make the string. These ones there you can see. Draw them out and keep working on them until you've got a good pile of them. These fibres will make a beautiful string.
Okay, and one more, and stop.
And then dry the string. I've hung this up in the washing line. Only needs a day or so and it'll get a little bit crispy and tighter. And then all you have to do now is start twisting it together, which may take quite a long time, but it's quite a lot of fun. So here we are with the dried pieces of fibre, the outer fibre of the nettle. Gather 2 or 3 thin strands into a bundle. It depends how thick you want the string to be, but normal string for everything, 2 or 3 strands will be enough. 2 bundles of them. Hold them in your hand like this, so there's one bundle away and one bundle towards you. The bundle away, roll your right hand fingers so that turns away from you, twisting away from you, twisting away from you. And then when you've twisted a bit, lift it back towards you over the other. Then twist it away from you, away from you, away from you. And then lift it back towards you over the first one. And then you do the more twisting and then lift it back. So you're actually twisting away, and then by lifting over you put a reverse twist in. So you're twisting them together. Twist over, twist away from you, then lift over, and then continue like that, on and on. When you get towards the end, you add in another 2 or 3 fibres and keep twisting. Don't do them at the same place and you'll get a good strong string like that one. There we are. Good pull. You try pulling that, it'd be quite hard to break it even at that thickness. So this is some that I made very roughly just for general purpose, maybe in gardening. You could tie anything up with this. So I didn't bother to make it too neat, but it gives you the idea of the strength in it and the length that you can make. So this is nettle string made from gathered nettles this summer. Now for string games you want something a little bit finer, so I worked a bit more carefully, maybe 2 bits of nice fibre together and then clipped off any bits that were hanging on, and then you can make a nice string game. This one actually I saw from the Inuit or Eskimo people, and they used it as a race to see who could make it the fastest. 1, 2, 3 and boom. And that's it. So make that as fast as you can, probably in 2 seconds. And that's the way that you can make nettle string. And it is very strong indeed. If you put 5 or 6 bundles together, I'm sure you could make something strong enough to make a rope. To coil up the string, double it up once and pull apart. Double up twice and pull apart. And there you have a nice little loop of nettle string.